Hi, this is Murray from Second Time Tech, and today I am trying to use my lavalier mic and my new refurbished laptop, and I'm running Audacity. I was going to try it with the Behringer B5, but if I could show you this room, you'd totally understand why I can't. There just isn't enough room. Today, the first thing that I'm going to do is, well, actually the only thing I'm going to do is tell you that the proper case came in. And I am going to lift it up and put it onto the table. Now, I just lost the key light in my face, but as you can tell, it's a much bigger box. If you saw the video where I said I got the wrong one. So this will be an unboxing of the proper box. Case. And just to show you a little bit of like what's on the outside, I'm just going to turn it, and then I'll probably cut it away, and then I'll show a couple of the shots of me taking it out, because I'm never going to be able to do it on the table in front of the camera. So this is the case right here, and I don't know how much you can see of it. I know it's a wide angle lens, but I haven't done my measurements really well with it from in this room yet, but I think maybe you might be able to see it. It's a Fentex. It's the Enthoo, E-N-T-H-O-O Pro, and it's an older style case. It's not like one of the newer ones, but it's big, and that's what I wanted. I want something big. There's no windows on it. I could have got the windows, one that has a window on it. Not windows. Well, there's no windows on it yet because there's nothing in there. But bad joke. Okay, you could get one with a window on the side of it. But it was like, I think $25 more than this one. So I think it was $145 for it, and I paid $120 for this Canadian. I don't know what it costs in the US, but I'll look it up and put it in the show notes. But anyway, I'll just take a panel off and show you a little bit. And I am sorry again. I got a small area, so I can only do so much with it, and I know that's a big case, so I'll try my best to show you what it is. And now that I've got the laptop on the table, it's even a little bit more crowded. That was a little easier than I thought. This might be a good way to picture me. But anyway, as you can tell, this one has a whole bunch of cages, and they're on the back, and I will flip it around to show you. Oh, I thought this would be funny, but I guess it probably isn't. And right here, there's a whole bunch of cages right here, and it holds 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 It holds 6 hard drives, like the 3.5 inch. And then there's a place here for a 2.5. And I know there's another place for a 2.5. Oh, down. I think it's down in here. There's another place for a 2.5 down in this area here. And then there's another spot right here for a 2.5. This one actually has the little cage that goes with it in that. Now, I'm not sure what's inside of here, but we'll go through that. But there is a 200mm fan right on the front, and it's got the mesh on the front of it right there. There's mesh on the top, right there. See, there's a mesh top, and then at the bottom, it's mesh also. So there's lots of room for air to get into here. Oh yeah, and then on the back, it's a, I think this is a 140 right here, if I'm not mistaken. For the, I'm almost positive by the side that it's on. So it's got a 140 exhaust fan. Now this is what I was talking about for the last case. I was saying that there should have been a whole row of cages. Well, this is the whole row of cages that I was talking about. I was so surprised that it wasn't there, because I guess I did order the wrong case. I guess that's the only thing there is to it. But right here, there's a whole bunch of holes for air to come in, and the same on the other side. And then there's the big mesh on the front. So there's lots of place for the air to come in with that 200mm fan. Let's set this off to the side, and let's see what's in the accessory box. Now, there's a manual. That's what I was saying with the other one. I said, I haven't. It's only just a tiny little thing. This is a good side manual. This is a Fantex case. Anyway, so you get a little bit of tie wraps, and it looks like a couple of extra of the Velcro fasteners on there too, with the Fantex, in case you need more. I guess that's for RMAs, but that's all right. This is quite nice. They give you all your screws, and they've got them separated, and they're all in their own little spot. Doesn't say what each one's for. That would have been nice too, but it's nice that that they separated everything, so you don't have to go fumbling through each one. Now let's see what this is. I don't know what this is for. Anyway, so that's what comes in the box there. And I guess I'll have to look in the manual to figure that out. And I can go through that and let you know. And then there's also places for optical drives in here, which is good because I do have an optical drive. I like having it because I do still have some CDs with software on them, or DVDs with software on them. There's one thing I forgot to show you on the case, which I'll show you. And I'll put it on my knee so that you can see it. But right here, that's where all your I/O is for the case. It's just under there. And you got 2 USB 3s, 2 USB 2s, and then you got your reset button, and then you got your headphone and your mic. Or it could be the other way around. Sorry, headphone to mic. There. So they're all sitting right there. And then your power button is nicely located right here on the top, right there. So you just press that in, and there's your button right there. And it comes with a fan header. Does it have a toolless? Yep. Oh, for heaven's sakes. It's even better than the ones I've seen before. That goes out. And you pull that out like that. You put your drive in there, and then you snap these two back in place, and then your drive's secured inside of it. That's awesome. The other ones I used to have to bend them a little bit this way to get them in there and stuff like that. I really like that. That's pretty nice. First time I had one like that. there's my new case. That's why I was surprised when I got the other case, is because this is what I thought I was getting. But I thought I was getting the one with the window in it. But that's why whenever I saw the glass, I thought it was kind of weird. Alright, so if you like the video, thumbs up. If you don't like the video, thumbs down. I want to wish everybody a wonderful day. Thank you very much for watching and listening. Bye.